If someone were to gift you this plantain and this one, which one would you choose? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to cook unripe plantain and get the most out of your plantain. A lot of people know how to cook this one. I remember somebody stopping me at Walmart and asking me, how do you eat this? And I'm like, oh, it's very healthy. It's filled with fiber. It will help you lose weight. It's filled, with healthy ingredients. So today I'm going to share with you 5 ways how to eat your unripe plantain to get the most out of it, because this one, when it is ripe, it is high in sugar, and most people eat it as fried plantain. They eat it with oil, and with the oil, the level of cholesterol in it increases. But this one, the different ways that I'm going to show you how to cook it, you don't need oil to cook it, and it is very, very healthy. I'm sure that by the time you finish watching this video, you're going to look at unripe plantain differently, and you're going to enjoy making it for yourself and your family. And as a parent, you are always looking for ways to help your family, ways to help your kids, ways to feed them healthy food, and most importantly, feed them the healthy way. A lot of people don't know how to eat unripe plantain, but today you're going to learn it, and in 5 different ways that you can cook it and enjoy with your family. Let's get into the video. So the first method that I'm going to share here is the boiling method. So you just peel your plantain and cut it in smaller pieces. I like washing my plantain, so you can wash yours as well. So cut it into smaller sizes and add water to it and salt, and that's it. Put it on the stove and let it cook. Put a lid on it, and when it's done cooking, you drain the water and you have your plantain. It's ready, and you eat it with any sauce of your choice. And in this video, I'm enjoying my hibiscus tea that I recently posted in my channel. It's very healthy. I encourage you to check it out. So this is how you enjoy your boiled plantain, and it's easy and healthy. So the second method is plantain chips, but this one you're not going to fry it, since we are not frying anything here. We are going to use the oven to make our plantain chips. This is a great snack for you if you're trying to maintain healthy weight, yet having your snacks. Instead of you to snack on maybe potato chips, you can make this for yourself to snack during the day, or you can take it along with you. So here I have my spices. I'm going to first put in my salt, and then curry and ginger, also garlic, and then I put my cayenne pepper. After that, I'll mix it properly to make sure everything is well incorporated. So after this, I'm going to add my grapeseed oil just to give it that moisture and make it crispy. So I mix it all up thoroughly. Now let it settle, and then I'll put a parchment paper on my tray, baking tray or pizza tray, and then I'll spread it on it and put it in the oven. I'm gonna spread it very well to make sure that everything has equal opportunity for to get the heat and get cooked properly. So as I was trying to arrange this, I turned on my oven to 350 degrees to preheat it. So after I was done with arranging it, I put it in the oven and allow it to cook for like 25 to 30 minutes. And when it was fully cooked, I took it out, and this is how it looked like. And this snack is very healthy, loaded with nutrients, and those wonderful spices that I added to it makes it very, very delicious. And what a great snack this is. So this is the number 2. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate if you would give me a like and subscribe to the channel. So the third method is the roasting method. We call it roasted plantain, and it has a name in our local dialect. In the western part of Nigeria, the Yorubas call it bole. And this, I enjoy it so much, and it's very, very healthy. So for this video, I'm going to just use one plantain to show you how to make this. But if I want to eat it with my family, I normally have a lot on my tray, and I'm going to share the one that we just had as I finish putting all the ingredients together. So here you add similar spices, ginger, garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, and mix it up together. Make sure that everything is well coated, and then a little bit of oil. Here I use grapeseed oil, but you can use olive oil, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna put this on the parchment paper just like the last one, and like this, and I'll put it in my oven. The oven is already turned on and it's already hot. So this one is gonna be like 30 to 35 minutes, because one side, you allow one side to cook, then you flip it and let it cook. So once the other side is well baked or cooked or roasted, your plantain is done. Your bole is ready, and you can enjoy it with your family. You can enjoy it with any sauce of your choice. And normally we enjoy it with palm oil or red oil with pepper and salt in it, or with anything that you choose to enjoy it with. So this is how it is. So this is how this looks like, well cooked. So I'm going to share with you the one I made for my family, and this is my husband enjoying it. And can you see that plantain behind? That's how much we love eating unripe plantain, because it is the most healthiest version of eating plantain. So the next method is using it as swallow. So you just cut the plantain into your blender, add water, then blend it. And when you're done, turn it into your pot and cook it. And because you have added water to it, you don't need to add extra water. So you cook it. When you cook it, it will become like this. So this is what you use to eat your soup. Instead of eating gari or fufu made with cassava, you eat plantain, and it's high in fiber. So the next, which is the 5th method, is porridge plantain. Once again, you peel your plantain, wash it, and cut it into smaller pieces. Let's talk about the benefits of green plantains. Green plantains are a good source of resistant starch, a type of dietary fiber that helps you feel full, doesn't raise blood sugar, and feeds the good bacteria that keep your gut healthy. Eating green plantains or unripe plantains is good for people who are diabetic, and also it helps with weight control. it helps with constipation, and also it lowers your blood sugar level. There's a way you cut this plantain that makes it unique. So you first of all shred the back. That is what will make the porridge. So then you cut it in 4 places, then chop it, and that's how you cut your porridge plantain. So here are the ingredients. I have dry shrimp and dry fish. So I first add water, then I'll wash in my dry fish into the pot. I'm just gonna use 2, and I will wash it to make sure that there's no rock or sand in it. Take out the bones as well, and I will put it in the pot, then put it on the stove. So for this part, if you don't have the dry fish, you can use fresh fish. It's the same thing, it's just that one is dry and one is fresh, and I believe they taste the same. So you can use fresh fish in place of dry fish. So here I'm done taking out the bones, and I put the fish in the pot. I'm gonna put the pot on the stove and then add other ingredients to it. So the next ingredients are crayfish and red oil or palm oil. So this is how crayfish looks like, the ungrounded and the grounded one. I have already put those 2 ingredients into the pot. That's why the pot is like that. And then I put in my dry shrimp and allow it to cook for a while. Then I added my veggies, my green beans, mushrooms, and onions into the pot. Then stir it all up, allow it to cook for a while. I added broccoli to it, still mix it up. And sometimes when I cook just 2 plantains, I eat it twice because the veggies in it makes it so rich. And I'm gonna put baby spinach, more veggies, and mix it all up. Isn't this beautiful? How to prepare your plantain. And I added salt for taste. And if you notice I did not put Maggi or not cube, it is optional, especially when you have enough things to spice it up, like dry fish, dry shrimp, and crayfish. So I brought the camera close to it to make you all to see it. Then I added my cilantro, and I am done. Look at that with the light on. Isn't that gorgeous and rich? So my plantain, my porridge plantain is ready. Turn off the stove because I want everything to be fresh and still maintain nutrients, the healthy nutrients. There you have it, how to cook unripe plantain in 5 different ways. Let me know which one was your favorite. Isn't this gorgeous and yummy? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.